back, everyone. Excitement! So we have another toy here for baby K, and it's the classic Mr. Potato Head. Wish we had Mrs. Potato Head, but you know what? I'm Mrs. Potato Head. Hi, hubby. Anyways, I picked this up at a convenience store because I thought, you know, why not? We're learning the body parts. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, that dreadful song. But it's not so bad if you sing it in Espanol. But I think I'm confusing baby K because I go back and forth between languages. I sing. She just agreed with me. I sing it in English and then I go into Spanish with it. So I said, you know what, let's get this guy to help with identifying what I'm talking about because she's looking at me all kinds of crazy. And this guy he's coming with, we have 13 parts as you see. So let's see how she takes to him. Let's see how she responds to Mr. Potato Head. Hello. Oh, his arm came out. His ear. His ear. Uh-oh. His eyes can come out too. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. My nose! My nose! Eyes. Toes. That's my nose.